Welcome to an affordable PC build under 30,000 rupees without compromising on performance. Our build starts with the heart, the processor. We're going for a reliable Core i3, a perfect balance of budget and power. Next, we need a solid base, our motherboard. Opting for a durable Gigabyte model, it ensures our parts work in harmony. Now, onto the brain, the RAM, a crucial 8 GB stick from Corsair. It keeps our system running smooth and fast. Speed is key, hence a swift 240 GB SSD from Kingston. It ensures our system boots in a flash. Powering all this is an efficient SMPS from Cooler Master, and it all comes together in a sleek cabinet from Zebronics. All this under 30,000 rupees. High performance doesn't always break the bank. Stay savvy, stay smart.